Hey y'all, my name's Tina. I'm a wig specialist, and in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to do some crimps on blonde hair. So if you want to see how, keep watching.
Once upon a time, there lived a Harajuku Barbie. Used to watch the game in Madison Square Garden. Coliseum block on the weekends, Italian icy.
The crimper we gonna use today, I got from Sally's. It's by Ion. I've done had this crimper for years. It works so good. A lot of hairstylists that I know use it. I'm also a hairstylist myself. I'm just currently not in a salon right now because I want to focus on my online extension business. But y'all, I'm really credible when it comes to this shit. Like, don't ever get twisted. This Ion crimper is definitely the one for this look that we're going for. Use different tools for different looks. So no tool is the wrong tool. It just depends on what you're going for. Let's talk blonde hair. A lot of people feel like blonde hair doesn't last long and blonde hair is always dry. And 9 times out of 10 they just fried their hair. So I'm gonna give y'all a disclaimer. When you're styling blonde hair with hot tools, you do not want the temperature up high. So when I usually do crimps, I'll put it on like 450. I'll put it on the highest setting. But since I'm using blonde hair, I'm probably only gonna put this on like 390 because you don't want to fry the hair. The hair is already processed, so like you don't want to damage it anymore. The less heat you put on your blonde hair, the longer it will last. Some people's wigs only last like a week. My blonde wigs, I can wear multiple times. I done turned blonde hair to pink and wore it blonde for 3 weeks, and then I sit there and turn it pink, and then I wear it for another 3 weeks. Like, with the proper care, your blonde hair can last. Like, this hair is so soft, y'all. Look at this hair. And it's straight out the pack. We ain't even washed it yet. But anyways, our crimper is now ready. We got it on 390. Okay, we're gonna part the wig off in 3 sections. So we obviously have it parted down the middle. And we're gonna go from the tip of the frontal, and we're gonna work our way down. And we're going to part off that corner on this side. This shit is so long. You see how many times I had to wrap it? So that's one side, and then we're gonna do the other. Okay, so we got the front clipped off. Now we're gonna go on to the back. We're gonna start at the back. Something to keep in mind with crimps is you actually have to kind of take big sections because you want to make sure that it's thick enough that the crimp is actually going to leave that indent that you want. So that's a good thing because it doesn't take so long to do crimps. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing so I'm going up about 1, 2, 3, 4, probably about 4 rows of hair. Or actually, let's do 5. So we went up all the way 5 rows. You want it to be kind of thick. we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we're going to take some hairspray. You want to get some hairspray that's flexible for this style. Well, when you're styling, you want to use flexible hairspray. You use the hard stuff once you get done. So before you start, use flexible. After you finish, you want to use something firm. So we're using our Sebastian hairspray. Gonna work that in. And we're still gonna split this in half how we did it first. But we're doing both sections at the same time. We're gonna do both sections at the same time so we can make sure it's even on both sides. So that's why we're doing it all the way across. So I like to take my crimper before I actually start crimping, and I take it and I just rub it across the top. And that straightens the hair out at the root. And then I just start it. And so when you start, I'm right-handed, so I have it in my right hand, and then I have my left hand holding the hair. And when you holding the hair, you don't want to pull hard. Just want to kind of hold it. So now that I think it on, got on there for about 5 seconds. We got our indent. And that indent, that third indent right there, so it goes indent, bump, indent. You want to put the crimp right back in there. See what I'm doing? I'm just moving the crimp down and putting it in that indent. And you kind of want to keep trying to hold it so that it doesn't break apart as you go. But you don't want to pull. You just work your way down. And it's literally that easy. Y'all, look how good these crimps are coming out. And of course, if we had it up higher, the crimps would be a little more stiff, but I feel like this is just fine. And that way we won't damage our hair. So we're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. So before we get started, we're gonna take that crimp and we're gonna smooth it down. Because we're trying to straighten those roots. And try to always mirror the opposite side so it can look even. You see how the crimp ain't getting stuck to the hair? That's because we didn't use that sticky hairspray. Excuse me. I remember when I first used to do crimps, I used to try to use spritz as I was working. Like, spritz is cool once the crimps are done, but as you're working, it's crazy. That's crazy, y'all. Okay, so what y'all think so far? Look how mirror that is. I'm telling you, I know a little something. So now we're just gonna do that all the way till we get to the top. Remember, take thick sections. I love doing crimps because it really goes quick. You would think crimps take so long, but they don't. If somebody told y'all they take long, they lying or they ain't doing it right. Oh, and don't get the touching the crimps until you let it cool down. You can get the running your hands through the crimps too early, they will not last.
Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's
We're gonna turn to the second.
ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby.
Take a section to the side. Now we moved over to our side, so we're gonna take a thick section. We're gonna take about this much. Part that off. Get our hairspray. So when we're doing these crimps on the sides, we're gonna try to make it match the back as much as we can. Let me lift this up so y'all can see. And we take it, rub it down. Now I'm looking. Do the same thing as he was doing on the back. Look, can you see how it's still looking like it's all one? That easy. Now y'all check this, look. The entire wig is in one, like. Let me pull it up so y'all can see. Let me pull it up. Like, wow, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. It's so cute. It's so cute. And look how easy that was. Look how easy. Say hi, Teddy. Say hi. But anyways, okay, now we're on our way to the top. So I went ahead and plugged in my hot comb. I got my hot comb on like 400. And y'all know when you get to the top of that wig, you gotta slice some of that front off and add it to the back. See what I'm saying? So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got. And doing that, that's what's gonna cover that track up. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me okay. Get into it. This part is detrimental. You have to do this. And then we'll put that crimp back in there and then I want to see y'all results. I want to know y'all opinions, like, on how y'all crimps are after watching this video. Y'all keep me in the loop. Don't let me know what's going on. I want to know. Other side. You always want to alternate side to side. You don't never want to just do one side and then the other because it's not going to have that uniform that the crimps have. You always want to do one side and then the other. Keep jumping back and forth.
Like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body.
When you're doing crimps, you never want to start your crimp at the root. First off, that's just ugly. Don't nobody do that. And yeah, that's just really the reason why. Because it's ugly. So you want to go like 1 or 2 inches away from the scalp. When you make that first indent. Especially when you get to the front. Calm down. Calm down, boy. What you hear? What you hear, boy? Teddy be thinking he hearing something, y'all. Well, he probably do be hearing something, but it ain't nothing. Look at that. So pretty.
Won't you love I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Never spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.
Almost forget.
I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This
Look how even this is, just all across the board. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Y'all, look how this turned out. It is so cute. I told y'all it wasn't hard either, and it was not going to take long. Make sure that y'all leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know how this video changed your crimps after this, because I guarantee it will. Like, look at that. Period.